Alright. The fans them ask me to explain how inside what inside is like. So I'm gonna explain what inside a GP is like. Alright, first thing if you there prison and nobody outside no care for you, not get no visit nor them thing there. You get whole heap of disrespect cause man say a waste man you out the road and you not do nothing. Alright. Secondly, the bathroom where you bathe in the so green and morass then there. So at all time you can't go in the barefoot. You have to wear a slippers. If you go in the barefoot you grounds. The toilet where you do the pan, you can't sit down on it like something at your house, You have to always have on a slippers when you go to the toilet and your slippers stoop down on the toilet. Your foot are filled up on the toilet but your slippers are touch it. You can't make your foot touch it or it's a ground, so you can't go locate up in no man. Alright. In a GP, you have big man and you have boy. You have Boys Town, one place named Boys Town where if you have fish or you do certain things on out the road when you come in you go over Boys Town. But you can be a prison and become a fish. Like you dead there and be straight and man come in or people will know you from out the road tell man things that you do. And you end up with a Boys Town. Jane? Alright, in a prison you don't know you can have a hot plate on your pot, you can cook for yourself. You see me? You can buy things at a tuck shop, same way that at the wall of them tuck shop, you have kitchen where you can go buy food. Yeah, kitchen where you can buy food and them things there and cook, you see me? Alright, you have a thing when them water, them can come search and take away things there. You see me? You can search. See one there? You can come search and take away your phone. You can have phone in a prison and them things they still know, but you have to hide it. You see me? We have phone and make a call and them things, but here me I say, water search and find a phone if you not declare it and take away all your things them like your pot, your TV and them things they take away your light. You see me? You don't know in a prison again. It's a wicked place, cause watch you now. Man in there have knife, man have jam on them things they to protect themselves. So and a man catch up, you have to serious enough to jump out to defend himself. If him plan for war sometime, a man not really plan for war, just look a cussing and things start cover back, you see me? You don't know, as I tell you, on one nice place, you have good things in the same way as well. You can recreate yourself, recreation, you have school, you have music class, you have library, you have all the other things in there, but you don't know, me now can explain everything going about. Me only can make you know what it is like being there, cause water will lick out the teeth, bust out your head.
Part 2 of my story in prison
Enough
GP.
time me over there in there. I just go on part 2, cause now call field. Enough time me over there in there and see you would come in righteous, conscious and by then the couple months and thing, him chip lick, him get mad. Crazy, him have to go a medic every day. Next thing I see him a walk stiff, cause them give him medicate and them thing there, you see me? To try to contain him and them thing there. But as I tell you, say, oh, it all matter when you're in them place there you get visit, cause nobody not care for you. Nobody in there not go care for you neither, cause you don't know you have to have a hygiene stuff like a roll on. You look at toothpaste. You don't know you look at body spray. You need to look at marina, you look at underpants. Cause you don't know money in there so get all them Nike, them Crocs and them things. So you want to look like somebody to one thing, you see me? And next thing now, you have a thing on your entitlement where the government issue out every month. Every month, each prisoner get one tissue, one bar soap, like half trouble bottle, half Pepsi bottle of bleach, half Pepsi bottle of disinfectant, and half Pepsi bottle of liquid soap. That have to serve every month. If you is not a man where get visit and you have to depend on the prisoner entitlement. That's what you have to get. No, 3 meals a day. And to me, none of them not make one, cause in the morning, when you wake up and slap up like beard, wash out a piece jug and them things there, you get a pig bread. That is a bread like a corn bread. And it's tough, cause it bake at the prison itself. And it come out of the bag and the breeze touch it, it get tough. And them get techly tea. You see the techly tea, if you drink it, the skin start scratch you. So you really have to prepare your own breakfast. You see me? Lunchtime now, them can give you whether chicken back or liver, kidney, or chicken too, chicken foot, and them thing there, you see me? But me tell you, them not clean up none of them meat there. Kidney chop up same way, chicken back are the same thing with the red in there, and them thing there, cause you don't know a copper cook it. And copper pies there, so me and you know say, oh, you're slow pies there, you see me? So, all of them things there together. Then with the chicken back or the meat kind, you can get rice or you can get rice and flour together, cook together, rice and flour, or you can get rice. You see me, in the evening now for your last diet, then can bring porridge or then can bring rice and callaloo or rice and cabbage. You see me? Callaloo and cabbage cut up with the worm and them thing, the callaloo in a strip that cut up tough when you buy
Part 3 of my story in GP prison share. Don't just view online.
Alright, this is part 3. You can lay in a prison and go to jail, like if you fight or stab up an ex-prisoner and then think they go to jail. And if you kill a man, you don't know a life in a prison that and then try and you're guilty, you see me? Yeah. And if you get old with concubine or thing like that, like knife and them thing, the days go on your sentence. Same thing like if you stab a man, you can get more days on your sentence. And them thing there, you see me? Yeah, so after me I say no, you don't know. You just have to just know, say, yo, if you even end up in a situation like that, you just have to just try for your best behavior. Try for yo, do the best that you can do. Like, take part in a more conscious part of the things them are there in the life. You see me like building shop and welding shop, you don't know, school there and the whole part of things that you can learn, other things you have church in the same way you have a place in a brickyard where you can go plant things like pepper and tomato and them things and then you can bring it back in the prison and sell it to other prisoner who want it for buy because you don't know. You have man of their prison still where sell weed and them things and take care of them daughter them or them left a road and them youth where go to school. And you have man who just send for money a prison for hype and squander and build gang. You see me, I tell you straight. Well, you have water, then there were good water, you have water with body, you have water with not carrying a concubine, but you may carry money for you, you have water with charge you 5 grand to carry a pound of weed, them the water charge you 2 grand to carry a phone. You have water with carry a things here and buy a even him send him next water friend feet and then them sell it back to a next prisoner in the prison and make a money off of you and laugh. So you have to send back to your next on the road. Because so the cycle go, because you want to keep the up to date to walk on out the road. So you want to have a bird you can call. You don't know when a man comes to boom and beg a phone card them time they out the road from him family, he beg it to sell it back to either water or an ex-prisoner. Then buy a phone card for $100 a man can get some phone card and can sell it and buy some food to eat or buy weed or whatever he want. So I saw the thing set and on a better roads or somewhere to say, yo, me a both say, oh, me go, but we don't know, me go through it and people know, and people up on my page and them ask me to say a story, so they don't know me there and I make the people them know. So the people them put share it, that's other people can see it, cause if they want to make their message or reach out, they can just watch it alone and like it, or to share it, make other people see it and say, oh, you care about what me I try to say, to make other